In the final section of the chapter, we are talking about the failures of planning. Very first is coming out as poverty. Even after 70 years of planning, we have 21.9% of population below poverty line. That's a huge figure when we are talking about 130 crore plus population. So still many of the people are still under the grip of poverty, and that's why many of the other problems will come in front of them along with the poverty. Second is inflation. If you remember, in some of the plans we were talking about price stability और inflation control. हमने specifically इनको goal भी बनाया था, but still prices are high. इसके पीछे एक रीज़न ये है कि आज की तारीख में अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो हम वर्ल्ड की सेकंड मोस्ट पॉपुलेशन कंट्री है, तो ऑब्वियस है कि डिमांड तो ज़्यादा होकर रहेगी, एंड व्हेन डिमांड इज़ ग्रेटर देन सप्लाईज तो प्राइसेस का हाई होना कंफर्म होता है. बट स्टिल इसको हम केवल पॉपुलेशन के नाम पर नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू still work on the problem of inflation. We need a proper strategy to address the high inflation rates which are still pursuing in our country. Next is unemployment. So again, due to high population, many of the people are still unemployment. In today's date, something around 4 crore people were in the grip of unemployment in the end of 11th plan. But trust me, it is government figure only. If we go and check a reality basis, though, it will be quite high. And without employment, there will be no income, and without income there will be again poverty cycle starts, and many other problems will start. So we have to address that also. Next is inadequate infrastructure. Our both type of infrastructure, economic as well as social, is developed, but still a long way to go. We are still not having power in many of the villages. Still we are facing the problem of healthcare facilities, proper sanitation, medical facilities. So still a long way to do in case of infrastructure also, and once that is developed, definitely our development process will move fast on. And finally, skewed distribution of income, or unbalanced distribution of income. So still the problem of income distribution is not equal or equitable as we wanted in long-term goal. So many of the people are having rich and more amount of money, but many of the people are even struggling for 2 times of food in a day. So we have to address these 2 problems. There's a study on why Indian planning is still having some problems or failures. So a program was launched, or a report was conducted by UN, and they simply highlighted some of the major points that were inefficiency, dishonesty and corruption. Means execution is not so proper in case of Indian planning. Once that execution, if that execution must have been proper, though definitely the results were quite bright compared to what actually we have received. So after 1991 we adopted market driven growth process in NEP 1991. ये बात मैं बार बार आपको डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ कि 91 के बाद इंडियन इकोनॉमी के फेजेस चेंज हो गए थे और मेजर फीचर्स change हो गए थे. That we all will discuss in the chapter number 6, new economic policy, or NEP 1991. This is end of the chapter. Feel free to drop your queries, feel free to drop your questions, or if any queries or doubts are there, please text me or call me. I am always there to help you.